How to make money online social media marketing. This type of marketing can be directly everyone talk about social media, but the truth is it can be difficult for companies to integrate social media into their business. The type of media used as well as how it is used is dependent upon the type of business you have. For some company, being in trust with their customers and giving them breaking news can be an important element of success. Others business serves as a local restaurant has a seen success using social media by letting customers know of the lasted special and new additions to their menu. The most important aspect of social media is to use it to target your customer bases to accelerate repeat sales. Trying to spread yourself across a wide net of social media platform can be difficult for small business owner with limited resource. Instead, figures out which online channels make the most sense for your business and the customer you are trying to reach. Are you targeting professional? Silent. LinkedIn might be your ideal tools. Does be your marketing have a strong visible aspect? Instagram could be the best fit for your business. Tips: social media marketing